We heard these whisperings about these statues in Kaokoloand called the Lone Men, and it's quite a cool story. You should look it up. Nobody knows who's made them or where they came from, but they just suddenly started showing up around Kaokoloand, and nobody, it's like this mysterious thing, nobody actually pinpoints them, nobody tells you where they are.
Like a wild man.
To say we are in the middle of nowhere is an understatement, and in this incredible desert terrain there's a little store, and they have cold beer, so we're going to support the locals, obviously, support the local economy. Although it's 9 in the morning, we're not going to drink them now, obviously. This is for camp. This is for camp later today. But how cool is this? What a spot.
So many times I've stranded, a castaway, and I'm not sure.
So sometimes people use Timbuktu as the quintessential nowhere place, but in Namibia that nowhere place is called Red Drum. We talk about some random place in the middle of nowhere, people talk about Red Drum, and this is why. There is literally a red drum here, and it goes back to the time when the guys built Van Zyls Pass, Van Zyl himself, and he used to leave fuel here. So when he came over, he had fuel on this side, and that's how it ended up here, and that's the story of the Red Drum, and here we are. Another cool spot on our journey. We heard these whisperings about these statues in Kaokoloand called the Lone Men. Mysterious thing, nobody actually pinpoints them, nobody tells you where they are, and we've just found our first one after looking for days. Like, we've been keeping an eye out, and it's quite unique. Interesting thing. Here's the team.
Yay, yay, yay! Number one of, they say they're 27. So we've got a lot more looking to do.
Well, they've only found 9.
How awesome is this? And we were wondering about how they wouldn't get destroyed or moved. But these guys are actually like welded, wired, or like massive metal things, and wired in and then bolted into the rock so that they don't get moved. Which is really cool. This guy's just chilling on the rocks, getting a suntan.
Yeah?
These stone men are awesome. It's long, hot driving in this place in Namibia. Like really, really long and really, really hot. And it's like a treasure hunt. It's better for me than Easter. It's like you suddenly just come around the corner and there's this little guy, like just standing there. It's so exciting. I can't tell you. And I must say, like it is. I mean, the kids and me are like, going on the car. But when you're looking for these things and then you see it, it's exciting.
Every time you look at me, I'm heating up at least a third degree.
We have found our third Lone Men. It is amazing how this guy built it. It's like just made out of a rock structure, and it's just super cool. People have only found 9, but who knows how many there are, and the guy who built them must have had a really good idea in mind, because it really is a very good idea to build these.
Let's find out.
This is absolutely incredible. We have literally just left Poros, which was dry and dusty and just sand blowing everywhere, the dustiest campsite ever. And once again, we just changed our plans a little bit this morning, and now we're going into the Kaokoloand River, and there's water. But not just a little bit of water, like it's actually, this river is flowing. It's beautiful. I mean, from the dry desert to this. Wow, amazing. So we're going to follow this river for quite a while, and then head out to where they say you often see desert airlies, but now with all this water, who knows, we might see them sooner, we might not see them. But what fun. Kids are playing in the river. This artist is amazing. He keeps you guessing. He's got a wicked sense of humour, or she has got a wicked sense of humour. And we've just come out of the Kaokoloand riverbed. Well, I shouldn't actually say where, but yeah, the Kaokoloand riverbed, and driving along the road, and here is this dude hanging off the rock face. It's just awesome. So cleverly done, so cleverly thought of. And as I said before, it just makes these long hard days on the road, hot days on the road, just fun. And we are chapped. This is number 4.
It's quite a ways, eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking for you. But we don't have to go up to Tora Bay, because here's another little bay.
No, but it's just where we stay. Well, let's go and find out if you can camp at Tora Bay and then go from there.
Okay.
But there's a campsite showing you at
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, but it's a seasonal camp. It's not always open. Okay, so we'll change then. Not go back inland. We'll go down the coast.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Cool.